Hello and welcome to the first in a series of videos taking you step by step through the AQA GCSE Computer Science syllabus. We're starting with paper 1. I'm Mr. Chapman. If you're new to the channel and you're studying on this course, I strongly recommend you head down and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos, and also check out some of the other content we've got down there as well. If this video is helpful, make sure you pop a like on there before you move on to your next video. So, kicking things off with algorithms. And knowing what an algorithm is an absolutely crucial part of computer science, and putting it really simply, an algorithm is a set of steps or instructions that can be followed to complete a task. Another important thing to remember, a computer program is an implementation of an algorithm. It's us taking an algorithm and turning it into a computer program. Algorithms aren't the same thing as computer programs, and we need to make sure we don't get those two things confused. And something that is mentioned throughout the specification for this course is a concept known as computational thinking. Now, computational thinking is about using a certain set of problem-solving techniques similar to the ones that are used by computers to write algorithms in order to solve problems. It's not about thinking like a computer. We don't need to learn to think the way computers do. Ultimately, computers don't think, so there is no way to learn to think the same way computers do. Computational thinking is about looking at problems in a logical way so that we can use computers to help us solve the problems. There are two important techniques you need to be aware of when it comes to computational thinking. The first is decomposition, and that's very simply breaking down a problem into smaller sub-problems and then maybe more sub-problems within those, so that each problem is smaller, easier to understand, easier to come up with a solution for. And then there's abstraction, which is removing unnecessary detail from a program. When we're looking to solve a problem using a computer program, using an algorithm, the first step to solving that problem is to decompose the problem using something called a problem description. And then to do that, we analyze the problem. I've highlighted both the phrase problem description and the word analyze. They come up again and again throughout the course. They're part of our development life cycle that we'll look at a little bit later on. They'll definitely come up on your non-examined assessment, your NEA, the coursework that comes up later in the course. So they're concepts we need to make sure we're really familiar with. That's all for today's video. If you have found it helpful, as I said before, please make sure you click the circle with my face on it to subscribe to the channel, and there's some other videos on here that you could check out that will hopefully be helpful to you as well. If the video has been beneficial, please pop a like on there, and thank you very much for watching.